We can't do without tricks at school. Make it easy. Watch the most amazing back-to-school DIYs and life hacks in this video. We've been writing for so long that my friend's gotten calluses on her finger. Take my soft pencil. You'll need soft clay of 3 different colors. Knead the clay of one color. Put in a thin clay piece of another shade. Wrap it into the first piece to get a hot dog shape. Wrap around a piece of the 3rd color. Roll it up to get a pencil shape. Cut off a piece of needed length. Put lead inside. Roll again to smooth wrinkles. This pencil is a real catch for my tired fingers. Miss Smith dictates us a very long text. She notices we've stopped writing. She comes and takes my soft pencil. What a loss! I've gotten used to it. I have to use my ordinary pen again. Where are my staples for a stapler? I wonder. A stapler is useless if I don't have staples. My friend offers me her supplies. Wow! She's got a real metal rainbow. Take off the top of the stapler and remove the staples. Choose the nail polishes you like. Paint the staples. Apply a little glitter. When dry, set the staples in the stapler and fasten your paper crafts. You can embellish all your notebooks or join hearts. Correct time management is the key to success. Let's try my special alarm clock. Dismantle the clock. Remove the face. Define the sectors. Shade each into a different color. Each sector is for a separate activity. Define the time for the rest, dinner, and homework. Assemble the clock. Now we know when it's time to study and when we should snack. And when we should take a rest. It goes like clockwork. If you want to sleep well and wake up early, download a smart alarm clock application. It tracks your sleep cycles and wakes you up at just the right time. You'll never oversleep. And when you wake up, you'll feel rested and recharged. Forget about tough waking up. Use color stickers to study a foreign language. Write the words you want to learn and stick them onto places you look often, onto your fridge or your friend's forehead. Watch your favorite series and movies in the original language. You'll certainly enjoy it. Wow! This is the case when the phrase luggage of knowledge isn't used metaphorically. My friends managed to cram a whole library into her backpack. Why should you do that if there's a better solution? Make mini notebooks. You'll need an ordinary thin notebook. Mark off about 2 inches. Draw a line and cut it out. Divide the strip into 4 little notebooks. Staple the unfastened ones. Align the edges. You can write down formulas or some other data. The only problem is that you should use a magnifier to see what you've written. I think Dwarf's notebooks might look like this. As for Miss Smith, she hates miniatures, unlike my ordinary books. Have you ever gotten a task to draw 3 of the same things one by one? Then you know what it means. It's quite a problem to do it using an ordinary pen. Let's see how a 3-based pen will manage it. Hot glue 3 ballpoint pens aslant. Make sure to shift each following a pen a bit further. You can easily use this smart pen for drawing objects with a 3D effect, or you can write 3 lines at the same time. I'm sure Miss Smith often uses this method in preparing for classes. Does your hair get into your face and notebook? Fasten it! If you don't have a hair tie or a hair grip on hand, use Miss Smith's life hack. Gather your hair and fasten it with a pencil. Yes, Miss Smith knows everything about hairstyles. Should you have become a hairdresser instead of a teacher? My friend tries to do her hair in the same way, but she fails. She needs a few more lessons. Your friend draws with a marker and accidentally goes beyond the page edge. She doesn't notice it, unlike Miss Smith. She demands to clean the desk immediately, but neither an eraser nor wipes or whatsoever can help. Then the teacher gives her secret weapon to my friend. It's a half of a lemon. Remove the marker by rubbing the trace with a lemon. It disappears quickly and easily. Cool! There's no marker traces anymore. Oh no! I've taken the wrong notebook and my homework task is in another one. You won't mix up your writings with this clever life hack. Color the top of your notebook with bright markers or highlighters. Now make sure you don't mix up the colors. Are your covers too big? Trim them to fit your notebooks. Mark the appropriate size. Heat a craft knife. Cut off the cover using a ruler. The knife seals the cover where necessary. No more unfitting covers. Make your notebooks neat and tidy. Do you often use pencils for drawing? Use this clever crafting hack to get twice as many sharpened pencils as usual. Take a pencil without an eraser on the end, or remove the eraser together with the metal part. Sharpen both ends. You won't have to look for another pencil or spend time sharpening if it's dull or broken. Just turn it over and keep drawing. It's great my friends got a set of anti-stress school supplies. Let's start with a pocket aquarium. Cut out a paper circle. Put it on a thick plastic pocket or a sheet protector. Cut out with allowance. Sandwich it between folded in half baking paper. Attach the pocket with a flat iron. It makes the plastic melt so that the edges seal. Be sure there's a little hole in the pocket. Remove the paper template through it. Trace another piece of clear plastic. Outline fish and other sea animals. Paint them using nail polishes. Don't stick to the outline. When dry, cut them out. Put the figures into the plastic pocket and add some glitter. Pour in liquid soap into the middle. Let the air out and seal the edges using a flat iron. Trace the template on your notebook cover. Attach the aquarium using double-sided tape and hot glue. Cut out a ring-shaped felt frame. Attach it to your notebook to get a porthole. Add black dots using a marker. The screws in the porthole make it look real. They say water makes you calm. It does, especially when there's a piece of the sea on your notebook. We want Miss Smith to know we love her. We're going to make a special present for her. You'll need an ordinary notebook. Attach a printed out rainbow-colored sheet to the cover. Apply a paraffin coat on top. Just rub the picture with a candle. Paint it using black gouache. Don't mix it with water. Make sure to apply a thick and smooth coat. Wait until dry. Take an orange stick or a wooden skewer. Scratch any outline on the black cover. The paraffin coat is peeled off, letting a rainbow writing appear. Scratch a message for your teacher. Let her know you appreciate her job. Miss Smith takes the notebook and sees our message. She's happy. Love is the best stress reliever, whatever they say. The kind and generous teacher lets us go home. Hooray! We can forget about classes. It's time to have rest and fun. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell so you don't miss fresh DIYs.